IPMAN gives condition, lower prices or no deal with Dangote Refinery. The Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, has stated its willingness to purchase petrol from Dangote Refinery under one condition: the price must be lower than their current sources. IPMAN's president, Abubakar Megandi, clarified that while his members are open to buying fuel from Dangote, they are currently unaware of the refinery's pricing. Megandi explained, "We are ready to buy petrol from Dangote Refinery if the price is not more than what we are getting elsewhere. Currently, NNPCL, the sole importer, sells to us at about 875 naira per litre." He further detailed the current pricing structure, noting that IPMAN members typically sell at 930 to 940 naira per litre, depending on how the product was obtained. At depots, the purchase price is around 990 naira per litre. Megandi emphasized, "We are marketers. Wherever we get it at a lower rate, we'll go there." This statement comes in response to the allegations made by Edwin Devakuma, Vice President of Dangote Industries Limited. Devakuma claimed that the local petroleum marketers were boycotting Dangote Refinery's petrol despite its lower prices. However, IPMAN firmly denies any boycott. Megandi stated, "We can't boycott Dangote Refinery. If their petrol is cheaper, why would marketers boycott the product?" IPMAN is set to meet with Dangote Refinery representatives to discuss potential business arrangements. The association maintains that they have no issue with the refinery and are open to cooperation provided it benefits their members economically. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.